Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Float Patches is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any water enthusiast. Whether you're lounging by the pool, enjoying a day at the lake, or embarking on a river adventure, these simple yet ingenious devices can be the difference between a seamless day of fun and a frustrating, deflated experience, ensuring your inflatable companions remain buoyant and ready for action. Number 5. Tirade Vinyl Repair Kit Type B. Meet the Tirade Vinyl Repair Kit, your ultimate solution for mending vinyl-coated materials. It's designed for durability and ease of use. This clear patch is perfect for a wide range of applications. It seamlessly blends with the original material, ensuring a clean and effective repair. From tents and awnings to air mattresses and pool liners, this kit handles it all. Keep your outdoor gear and inflatables in top condition. Experience repairs that last. It creates a watertight and airtight seal, preventing further damage and extending the life of your items. Applying the patch is simple and requires no special tools. Achieve professional-looking results in minutes, saving you time and money. This single-pack solution comes in the recognizable green box. It's the convenient choice for any vinyl repair need. What we like. This patch is designed specifically for vinyl and vinyl-coated materials. It offers a clear, matte finish that blends well with any color. If you have items like inflatable pools, air mattresses, or vinyl-coated tents that have sustained damage, this is a great option for a long-lasting, mess-free repair. What people say. The patches are very durable and have held up well even with frequent use. Easy to apply and they stick securely to the float material. The repair was almost invisible after application, blending in perfectly. Number 4. Tirade Vinyl Repair Kit Type B. Introducing the Tirade Vinyl Repair Kit, designed for quick and effortless patching of holes and tears. It also serves as an excellent protective film. This repair patch is made from an exceptionally tough, abrasion-resistant elastomer. It's designed to resist puncture and tearing, ensuring a long-lasting fix. The Type B patch is formulated to adhere specifically to vinyl and vinyl-coated materials. It contains an inhibitor to block oils that can degrade other adhesives. Its see-through design works on any color, and it's UV resistant to prevent yellowing over time. Enjoy a repair that maintains its appearance for years. Experience instant adhesion with no sewing or glue required. It provides a mess-free solution that conforms to irregular surfaces and withstands high heat. Each kit includes patches that can be easily cut to any size you need. You'll also find reinforcement filament and alcohol prep pads for a complete repair. What we like. This product offers a unique liquid sealant that creates a permanent patch without the need for separate mesh or glue. It's ideal for larger tears or seams on PVC and PU inflatables, including air mattresses, pool liners, and even bouncy houses. If you're looking for a robust, all-in-one solution for significant damage on vinyl or PU items, this is the one to consider. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and hold strong. They effectively seal the leak in my inflatable pool. The material is durable and blends well with the original float material. Number 3. PVC Stitch Heavy Duty Repair Kit. Meet PVC Stitch, the ultimate solution for repairing your inflatables and outdoor gear. It's designed for durability and ease of use. This heavy-duty repair kit is perfect for a wide range of items, including air mattresses, pools, hot tubs, and even PVC pipes and hoses. Applying it is straightforward. Simply apply the liquid sealant to the damaged area, and it dries to form a permanent, strong patch. No extra materials are needed for most repairs. Once dry, the repair is water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold. It's built to last in tough outdoor conditions. It's specially formulated for easy field repairs on various materials like PVC and PU inflatables, air mattresses, pool liners, and more. With a shelf life of 2 years and excellent adhesion, it provides a reliable and long-lasting repair for your valued gear. Just store it at room temperature. What we like. Made from durable TPU material, these patches are waterproof and resistant to high temperatures, ensuring a reliable fix. They are versatile enough for a wide range of inflatables and even tents or canvas. If you need a convenient and reliable way to patch up various inflatable items, especially those used outdoors or in water, These patches with included deflate tubes are a practical choice. What people say. These patches are incredibly durable and have held up perfectly through multiple uses. The adhesive on these patches is very strong, ensuring a secure and long-lasting seal. Easy to apply and blend in well with the original float material, making repairs almost invisible. Number 2. 10 Lechen 20-pack TPU Pool Patch Repair Kit. Introducing our high-strength repair patches, made from durable TPU material. They are waterproof, high-temperature resistant, and offer strong adhesion for long-lasting fixes. These versatile patches are perfect for a variety of inflatables and outdoor gear. Use them to fix leaks on swimming pools, bounce houses, air mattresses, tents, and more. Repairing cracks and leaks is a breeze. Simply ensure the area is clean and dry, then apply the patch with firm pressure for a secure bond. Each package includes 20 repair patches, measuring 2.7 by 2.7 inches, which can be cut to size. You also get 2 deflate tubes to help speed up deflation. Don't let small punctures ruin your fun. With these easy-to-use patches, you can quickly and reliably repair your inflatables and outdoor equipment. What we like. These self-adhesive patches are incredibly easy to use, simply cut to size and apply. They are designed for quick, instant repairs on a variety of inflatable products like boats, kayaks, and water toys. If you prioritize convenience and need a large supply of patches for frequent or minor repairs on your inflatable gear, this pack offers great value and ease of use. What people say. The patches are very easy to apply and hold up well. They are durable and have kept my inflatable boat from leaking. Great product, worked perfectly for repairing a small hole in my pool float. Number 1. Outus Self-Adhesive Pool Repair Patch Kit. Introducing the Outus Self-Adhesive Pool Repair Patch Kit. It's designed for quick and easy fixes on your inflatable items. Using this kit is incredibly simple. Just cut to size, peel, and stick. For best results, apply pressure for a few minutes. Crafted from quality PVC, these patches are built to last. They are durable, firm, and non-toxic, ensuring long-term use. These patches can be trimmed to any shape or size you need. They effectively repair holes without leaving obvious traces. Perfect for a variety of inflatable products, including boats, kayaks, water toys, and sofas. It's a must-have for your daily life. This kit provides a large quantity of patches, ensuring you have enough for multiple repairs and replacements. What we like. This kit provides a heavy-duty vinyl repair solution with a reinforcing mesh cord for extra strength. It's suitable for a wide array of items, from air mattresses and pools to punching bags and PVC pipes. If you're dealing with significant damage or need a particularly strong and durable repair on items that experience a lot of stress or water exposure, this kit is a robust choice. What people say. The patches are very durable and have held up well through multiple uses. Easy to apply and they stick firmly, even on wet surfaces. Great for repairing small leaks and punctures in inflatable items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.